My name is JULIAN. I work for UNICEF as a WASH manager. UNICEF decided to support the MHHM Summit because this is a key forum for all stakeholders working on MHHM to come together, discuss the key barriers faced by women and girls who are menstruating, and come up with what I hope are actionable solutions to help address some of these barriers. We're very excited because MHHM cuts across multiple sectors, including water, sanitation and hygiene, sexual and reproductive health and rights, education, among others. And this is something that UNICEF feels very strongly passionate about to make sure that girls and women reach their full potential. UNICEF works in over 15 states and the FCT, as well as with the federal level, to support MHHM in the country. We have 5 pillars of work. The first one is obviously in supporting the enabling environment for MHHM, which includes, strengthening coordination, supporting the Federal Ministry of Women Affairs, as well as Ministries of Education and Water and Sanitation and Hygiene, to have policies and strategies that enable girls to safely manage their menstruation. And in the field, we work a lot with schools to provide wash facilities. Only 11% of schools have wash facilities in the country, so this is a key area of our work. We also work with Federal Ministries of Health as well as State Ministries of Health to support the integration of MHH into sexual and reproductive health and rights education. We also work on engaging men and boys, as well as women and girls in communities, as well as in schools, to ensure that the taboos and myths around menstruation are dispelled and people have factual information, so that girls get the necessary support to manage their menstruation and also have the right knowledge and skills so they can manage it safely with dignity for their life. I think, last but not least, we also support the women and girls on production of local materials for MHH, particularly reusable pads. So there's some trainings going on in the field to provide support for this.